Today, we'll go through everything you need to know to kickstart your fitness journey and build a routine that works for you. First things first. Fitness is about consistency, not perfection. Whether you're looking to build strength, improve flexibility, or just feel better overall, starting with small, manageable steps will lead you to success. Let's break down your fitness journey into 3 key areas: setting goals, understanding the basics, and creating a plan that fits your lifestyle. Step 1 is setting realistic and achievable goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with your fitness journey? Do you want to feel stronger, more energized, or maybe lose a little weight? Whatever your goal, make it smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, I want to work out 3 times a week for the next month. This gives you a clear target to hit. Now, let's talk about the basics. Fitness doesn't need to be complicated. Start with the 3 pillars of fitness: strength, cardio, and flexibility. Strength training helps build muscle and bone density. Start with bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges. No equipment required. Cardio helps improve heart health and burns calories. You can begin with walking, jogging, or even dancing around your living room, whatever gets your heart rate up. Flexibility is important for injury prevention and overall mobility. Incorporate stretching or yoga into your routine to keep your muscles lengthened and strong. Don't worry about fancy equipment or complicated moves just yet. Let's start simple. Start with bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lower yourself as if you're sitting in a chair. Do 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps. If a standard push-up feels too hard, try doing them on your knees or against a wall. Start with 2 sets of 5 to 10 reps. If you're looking to get your heart rate up, try jogging in place for 1 minute, then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat this for 10 minutes. Rest and recovery are just as important as the workouts themselves. Your body needs time to heal and rebuild muscle after exercise. Aim for at least 1 or 2 rest days per week, and remember to listen to your body. If something feels off, take it easy. Staying consistent is key. Create a schedule that works for your life and stick to it. It doesn't matter if you can only fit in 20 minutes a day. The most important thing is showing up. You'll start to see progress, and trust me, you'll feel better as you go. Keep track of your progress, whether it's through a fitness app, a journal, or simply noting how you feel. Celebrate every little win, no matter how small. Whether it's adding an extra representative or just feeling more energized after a workout, these wins build up, and before you know it, you'll have made huge progress. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be too hard on yourself. Everyone's fitness journey is different, so focus on what works for you. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tips. See you next time, and take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.